long, long before I even existed. I'm talking about my ancestors. They had their own pharmacy. They had their own supermarket, education facilities. They had all these things. My name's Kath Ryan. I'm an Yinggarda woman from Carnarvon, and today I'm standing on my mother's country around the Wurrumal Pimby area to show you what healthy, good country looks like. Carbon farming to me is probably getting our country back to lush, beautiful country it used to be. For us, it's bringing our country and what we have been taught about our country back to us. Coming along this road, gogglers were packed, so every 5 minutes we stopped to pick gogglers. Wanya seeds, I'd never seen wanya seeds so abundant in over 10, 15 years. I ate and ate and ate all the bush food I can, and I felt so good after. So Aboriginal people, I think, like I myself as an older person, enjoy sharing my knowledge with station owners and other people that would like to, listen to things about my culture and how I can look after my country with them.
These types of carbon projects give that opportunity to people to look after something for the future generations. There's a real opportunity here for us to value what traditional owners have always known about their country, and for there to be a real exchange of knowledge and experience.
I'm excited myself about being able to work alongside of these Walwalanjari, because it's for our future, especially for our grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on and so forth, that we all work with people like this, and they're willing to work with everyone in the community, not only just one lot of people, it's with everybody. So I'll just say, add a little bit of Yinggarda, they're going to work Ngalingu Barnanga. So in other words, they're going to be working on our Yinggarda ground, whether it be here, Gascoyne Junction, Wurrumal, Pimby, wherever. Here we have an opportunity by people that want to come in, re-green our country and help us to re-maintain our country. When they come and yarn with us and stuff like that, welcome them to our country.